And who is this? Is this Nielsen? Is this any of you? Kaiden? Is this Kaiden? Oh no, Kaiden is here. Kaiden, let me give you a sticker as well. Thank you. Stanley and Mason. Good job, Mason. Yeah, I think that's all the people who turned in. Okay. Well, hopefully they won't forget from me. Yeah. So I think the assignment from last time, it should not be very difficult, right? It should be very easy for you guys, right? It's just pretty much you typing whatever is there, but you got to get familiar with like start to typing everything in text. Okay, and let's go back to review a little bit about, we talked about what is computer science and program algorithm, like it's like how you make the program running and the variables. Okay, and we do have like a integer variable. Can somebody give me an example of what is an integer variable? Give an example. It would be any number, like a 5 or 10, 11. Those are integer, and it can be negative, such as like -10. How about like 1.1? Would that be integer number?
I can't hear you.
Oh, you cannot hear me? Can anybody else hear me? No?
I can hear you.
Okay, good.
I can hear you.
Okay, yeah, so Kaiden, you may want to adjust your volume a little bit louder. Okay, so like example of 1.1.
I can't hear you.
Still cannot hear me? Because other students are okay. Yeah. So let me try to talk a little bit louder. Hopefully it's okay. Can you hear me now, Kaiden? If your Zoom app is not active, try to switch to your Run tab. That way, sometimes when you switch the tab and it's not, then you won't hear the sound. But if you change the tab to make your Zoom active, then you will be able to listen to me. Okay. Stanley and Rosalind just connect, and Stanley, I gave you a sticker for your work already.
Yay!
Yeah, good job. Yeah, all of you did very good. Yeah. Mason, would you mind turn on your camera so I know what your reaction is? Okay.
I can't hear you.
You still cannot hear me? You may want to. Can you try to reconnect?
Can you write it in chat?
Okay, try to reconnect. I think you're probably because other people. Can you try to reconnect? Like disconnect and connect. Okay, yeah. Okay, hopefully we'll get it resolved. So another example of the integer will be an example of integer will be like 1, 2, or 100, -100, but 1.1 or -2.2. These two are not integer. These two are
I still can't hear you.
I don't know what's wrong here. So, but these two are not integer. These two are called, some data type is called float or precision. Okay, so this I'm going to delete it because it's not integer. Okay, so those are just some example of that. So Kaiden, you might want to, if you still cannot hear me, you might need to ask for help. Either restart your computer because our other kids are able to hear me.
Can everyone else hear you?
Yeah, right? Okay, restart your PC or turn on
Oh, it works.
your volume. Because I really don't know what's going on your computer. Okay, sorry, I'm going to move forward. So example of the string variable is like a just a regular ABCD, right? I'm going to use this password generator as an example. Sometimes when you type the password, you're going to type in the character, and it can be a mix of the characters and numbers. So it will be a mix of a string variable and the integer variable. So in that case, the data type for the password, it's called string variable. So that's one data type, that's string. Okay, so example will be like, okay, so say you want to type God. G is here and O is here and D is here. But we are using a password generator, which I shift the ladder three ladder afterwards. So like ABC, instead of ABC, I shifted it to like D, E, F. So A corresponding to D, B corresponding to E, and C corresponding to F. So in this case, if I type in God, G is going to become J. G and then three letter shift.
I think it's a D.
G, and because I shifted the three letter afterward. Okay, so it's here. G, and I shifted three letter, so it will be J. Okay, that's how I come out here. G, so use the upper one, G, and then it will become J. Okay, and then O is here, and it will become R, so it's here. And then D is here, and it will become G. So instead of typing God, I type in J, R, and G. Okay, so that's one algorithm for us to generate the password. Okay, the other things is that you can create a link. Like instead of typing D, I type I. Instead of typing G, I type in P. Instead of typing K, I type in O. So this arrow here is kind of like link. So this kind of data structure is called linked data structure. Okay, that's what I'm going to say. It's a list, but it's linked. So that's just different type of data structure. You know, we have data type. Data type, we have like integer, and we have string. And another type is an array. So you can think about God is an array of characters. So it's an array of string. Okay, and this data type here, the D changed to I, G changed to P, and K changed to O. That's called linked list. So I know it's a little bit abstract, but that's how data is stored in the computer. Okay, so in this case, instead of typing God, I will type in POI if I'm using this algorithm to generate my password. Okay, because the G, I linked it to the letter P instead. So I will type it out P because it's pointed to here. It's linked to there. So this is another algorithm or another data structure that tell us like how to generate the password. And you can create your own way to generate a password as long as you memorize, you know how to encode or decode it. You know the method to produce your password and the method to revert the mystery password back to your original word. Okay, so that's just another type. So you can think array is a table. So it's a table of different elements. So this is you can think this one is an array as well, but each element has a number. Say this is number one is A, number 2 is B, number 3 is C. Okay, so this is how the data got stored in the computer, and you got to come up with the algorithm to produce the password. Okay, we went through this for my other class, but I just want to give you more in-depth example here, since like I think this class is more advanced of all of them. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's have some fun time right now. So this is going to be a homework as well. Do I have it open here? Yeah, I do have it open here. So if you click the link, I am going to also copy the link to the Zoom chat, so you can open on your side as well. In the chat. Is Kaiden back? Kaiden, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Did you restart your computer and everything works now?
No.
Oh, okay, as long as it's working. So I gave the link to the Zoom chat. If you don't have the slide open, you can click the Zoom chat. So in this will be the homework for today as well. So in this homework, we are going to make some arts. Okay, so there are a couple different graphs or arts we are going to make. First one is it's just a sunny day, and the second one is a cross, and the third one is the smiley face, and star in the dark. Yeah, this one it's actually two eyes, only two eyes, and this is a face, and this is a balloon, and this is a stickman. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Remember when we are trying to do text coding, you always have to look up the documentation for how you write it. Okay, so here the documentation, it tells you, okay, you need to use the syntax called background blue. So you just type it out, very straightforward English, and you can practice your spelling as well, right? B-A-C-K, right? Background blue. Okay, now you see the background turn to blue. Okay, so if I change this to yellow, right, yellow, then you will turn to yellow. But the first instruction of the algorithm, first step in the algorithm, it asks us to do a background blue. Okay, so we have a blue sky, and then now it asks us to change the color, the pen color, to yellow. Okay, now it does nothing, but we change the pen brush. We change the color to yellow. It's just like because we haven't drawn anything yet, so nothing shown yet. So circle of the size 100, and oh, you see that I'm typing 15, and then it draw a smaller one. But if I type 150, that's the requirement for this program. And then I am done with this sunny day. You see, because I put the yellow here, so the next thing it draws, it will give me a sunny yellow circle. Oh, I saw I already logging. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Okay, so the next challenge is going to create a cross. Again, background. So by this time, B-A-C-K-G-R-O-U-N-D. Background red. You probably get already familiar with the syntax. Is like first you have to set the background. Stroke. Stroke. So it's like the thickness of your brush. We set it to like 66. Okay, and we set the color to white. So then, because we are going to draw a cross in the middle as white. So this is just background, just like some variable setting. Remember we talked about variable. So in this case, the 66 is an integer variable. The white is a string variable here. Okay, oh wow. It also allow you to like select color here if you don't want to type it out. Let's see. If I change this to red, okay, so it changed the color name for me even. That, so this thing is called a compiler. You know, it's like a very handy for programmer because sometimes you don't remember everything, and you don't have to remember everything. You just have to know how to look up the document. So, okay, let me go back, stroke back Y. Okay, the next thing, stroke Y. Yeah, okay, Y. Okay, next. Hint. Oh, did I miss anything? S-T-R-O-K. Oh, okay. I spelled it wrong. You see, I spelled it wrong, and I didn't got it. And then the compiler got it for me. Okay, let me go back. Okay, S-T-R-O-K-E. Y. Okay, now the next things in line will be line 100. Okay, so it's drawing a line from, you see the little cursor, like cross cursor here. So it's from the point here, and then expanded 100 pixel toward the right. If I wanted to expand it toward the left, I have to tell it negatively. So it's negative 100. Okay, let's do the next one. Line negative 100. Ooh, too much. 100. So that's the horizontal bar of the cross. Okay. Okay. Again, line 0, 100. Okay, so this time it draws downward. Okay, that's just like a different parameters or different variable. We tell the program what to do. Okay, so negative 100 means it's like the upper part here. So now we finish this program. Okay, should be very straightforward, right? Any questions so far? No? Okay. Yeah, if you can try, I don't think you need to create an account in order to finish that, and you can just go and do it. So this will be part of your homework. Background black. So just see how much you can get. Can you finish all the puzzle? It's going to get more and more challenging. Like here, it doesn't give you the exact syntax. It just tell you to draw the circle to white. So color, oops. Color white. And I think I'm missing a circle, right?
I thought it was color yellow.
Yellow? White, right? Yeah, I think it's white because this one is going to draw 2 eyes. Let's see. And ellipse. You work on this function before in your smiley face, in either snowman or the face drawing homework. So now I have one ellipse. Like the width is like 60. And the height is 40. And black and little circle inside. You see, every time it will focus on the little cross cursor here, and then to draw starting from the center of your cursor. So I have one eye on my left eye. And now I'm going to move my cursor to 160. So you see, it's moving my cursor, the cross cursor to here. Okay, and then set the color because the color is set it to black. Okay, so set the color to white again. And then type the right eye, 60, 40. And set the color to black and circle of 10. Okay, so we finish our 2 eyes. Oh, can I? Actually, I can try to simplify the. Let's see. Can we make this more efficient? A little bit more efficient because I'm having the color Y here and color Y here.
Can you repeat?
So let's see. If I am move here.
Can you repeat?
Yeah, we can try repeat. Would you like to give me the solution? Oh no. Oh, sorry. In here, this program doesn't give us a repeat function. Does it give us a repeat function? Yeah, it's just like this program doesn't allow us that. I'm just trying to see because we have Y here and Y here. So because Y, and then I'm going to move like here. Ooh. Wait. Hold on. I'm going to draw two move white and then move to 160. Let's see. So do this twice. Oops. And then do the black. Color black, circle 10. So I don't need this. I'm missing one more. Hold on. I haven't finished yet. So this is one, and then I'm going to move to 160 again. Color black, circle 10. Oh, I guess it doesn't check because the compiler, the program is not smart enough. Okay, I'm missing one black circle here. Okay, let's 160 circle. Yeah, I do draw two circle. I guess the program just doesn't allow. But you see what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to shorten the code because I have Y here and then I have black here, and it was like earlier it was trying to say Y and black and Y and black, but I'm trying to do like Y and draw an ellipse here and move to here and draw another ellipse, and I have to move back. Oh, okay, so here I'm missing a move back to negative 80. Probably this one I need to move back to 80. Okay, but you see what I'm trying to do, right? We probably just need to play around with it. I think the program, it has a certain flow. You just want me to do this way. But you can try to do the next one, color yellow. So I'm not going to go over everything here. So I think I'll save this as a homework for you. But as a beginner or at the first trying, please just follow its guidance. I think because the compiler, if you don't follow its guidance, you jump around, it probably won't compile. Okay. All right. So the next thing, so that's the homework, and the next thing I'm going to practice more is another program. So this one is we are using the Python program. Before this code, the art drawing, it's just another program that designed by this company. But right now, the one we are trying to play, it's an official language. It's called Python. I know some of you learned before, and we can jump to JavaScript if you haven't learned that yet. Yeah. Do you guys want to see Python or JavaScript? Let's just do some Python because some of you got familiar with.
Code combat.
So, what is that? I think it's different from what I have here. Wait, I think I'm in the wrong course. Dragon King. Okay. Yeah, this is the right. Okay, so in this puzzle, we are trying to get the
win.
Grab the treasure.
Yeah, here.
You can use these methods.
So here,
Type your code on the right.
okay, so here it tells you you have certain kind of methods. Sorry, it's a little bit loud. Let me try to mute the file for now. Okay. Yeah, so it tells me I have different methods. Like one is move down, move that, move right, move up. So this is the documentation provided by me. Okay, so in order to get this, who can tell me what direction I need to go?
Down.
Oh, I'm sorry, who is talking?
Caden.
Okay, then, okay. Yeah, you can tell me. Hi, Aurora.
Hi, sorry I'm late.
No worry, no worry. We are playing again. So in this game, we have to type out the function in Python language. And Kaiden is going to give me the solution for this one.
Hero dot move down.
Okay, move down. So we can actually type it out, or you can
Then
use,
hero dot move right.
okay, move right. Don't forget about the parentheses at the end in order for it to work, okay? And again, this is Python language. We can switch to a JavaScript later to see what's the difference there. Good job.
Not a king.
Good job, Kaiden. Okay, let's do the next level.
Code combat. Move right.
Okay, so here we try to collect as many germs, treasures as possible. Who would like to try this one?
Me.
Let's give it to somebody. Stanley.
Okay, so first, even though I haven't done code combat yet, but I know what to do. So first, hero dot move right, so I already did it, and then hero dot move down.
Okay, move down. And then
And then hero dot move up.
I would rather go in a circle before I go down.
let's just give Stanley a try right now. And then
Wait, what? Oh, okay. And then
here.
And then hero dot move right.
Huh? Right?
Hero dot move right, yeah.
Okay. So there's no one solution. You can try all possible paths. So you're right, down, up, and you're moving right now. Right, down, up, right.
Wait, no. Up and then another up and then
Yeah.
right.
Okay, another up. And then right? Okay.
Yeah.
I can copy this line fine because we need to up. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Move right. Move down. Move up. Move up. Move right.
Good job, Stanley.
Yay.
Okay. Who wants to do the next one? Or we can move to a different level. Let's move it to a different. Is this one too easy for you guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move back to a different level. Okay. Let's try level 2. And this time let's switch to JavaScript. Okay, so you see the
Code combat. Move right.
syntax is different. Oh, still here. Can I jump? No. Okay. I guess I have to. I think let's just try to. I thought this is level 2. Okay. Level 3. JavaScript. Yeah, we finished level 2. Okay, so we should play level 3. That's right.
Code combat. Move right.
Okay. Who wants to try this one? Let's give it to somebody who hasn't tried yet. Shawn Michael? Okay, just unmute yourself. So
Move right.
First, it moves right, then move up.
here's another rule.
What a team.
Don't let the organ see you. Okay. So
So
this is the organ. If you walk here, then this organ is going to see you. So that means you cannot walk this path. It's not that
Oh,
straightforward.
behind the statue.
Yeah,
so first it says it's already moved right, so then move up here, and then move right, and then move down and move right again.
Move down. You see, whenever I type, you will give me prompt saying, "Oh, right now I haven't finished the typing." And you see the difference between JavaScript and Python is like JavaScript, every time you finish typing one line, you have to put a semicolon at the end.
No, it's not move down, move down.
Right,
Move down, move
right, down, and this one is what?
right,
Okay.
right.
Is that all? Can I
Yeah.
run it?
Yeah.
Move right. Move up. Move right. Move down. Move right.
Good job. All right, let's do one more.
Code combat.
Okay, we still have time. Hero must survive. Grab the germs and avoid this. And no problem. Okay. So who would like to give it a try? Joshua, would you like to give it a try? Joshua? Sorry, it's too loud, so let me mute a sec. Joshua, would you like to give it a try? Avoid origin and grab the germ. So
Move down.
Hero, move down, and then
Hero. Right.
move right.
And hero move right.
Okay, so I can just copy and paste it. Is that all?
Yeah.
Right.
This two little enemy is going to move around. Okay.
The enemy.
Yeah, that's a surprise for me. I didn't know it's avoid the multiple by picking up your past carefully. Sometimes it's all about timing. Grab the germ, but move the same way the germ actually does, so they won't see you. You can drag the playback timeline to see what happens. Oh, okay. Let's try to do that. Oh, and we can use this, and we can put the argument like move right to, okay, here, and oh, you can attack. I don't think we have that right now. This hero doesn't know what to attack. Okay, you will bark, take bark. You can use attack, okay, and the next hint here, holding the matter, this one we already know, and yeah, this one we already know. Okay, so it say we can drag this. Okay, so you see this guys from here to here, right? So probably we need to avoid this path. That's all the hint button. Or that's, would you like to try to see the solution? Anybody want to try? Stanley? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So it's hero.move down. I mean, first erase everything except the, okay, hero.move down. And then hero.move down again.
We can use this, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's like.
Yeah, like last time. And then do the same thing again.
What do you mean sensing?
Hero.move down 2.
Huh?
Hero.move down, and then inside the thing there's a 2.
Why do you need two?
You only need one.
Yeah, you only need one.
Oh yeah, 1.
If you have two, then you go 4 steps.
Yeah, and you will bump into the spike. Like 1, 2. So you might want to do. You see they are going this way, right?
Yeah,
because they will be going this way, and the timing is important. So if you going here, and they will be going up, right? So the next thing you want to do is you probably want to go right, and then they will be here.
Oh yeah.
Move right.
Move right.
Move right.
Wait, then the oars will see you.
Yeah, that's just, I don't know which path you will go. Let's just try to see if this path, because that's the only path, right?
Wait, no. It's actually, I think it's you go. So you go straight down, avoid that spike, and then go right.
Yeah.
And the oars will also do the same thing.
Move up, right?
I know why there's skeletons there. That's where the ogres killed them. That's a clue.
Yeah, I don't know which path the ogre is going to go. So
I know. So actually, it's hero.move down 2, and then the same thing, the same hero.move 2 thing again. So do the hero.move 2 again below the hero.move down 2.
You need.
No, you only need 1.
Yeah. Let's just try to see what will happen in this case.
The ogres are just going to keep going in circles.
Because that's their program that is going to just do that. Yeah.
That's why there's skeletons.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But you see, because we don't know what the path this one is going to work around, we just like we just have to try it to see which way it will work. Okay. Let's see. We have 10 minutes left. So maybe we can watch one video. Do you guys still want to play one more?
No.
Yeah, it's so fun. I want to do it.
Mason wants to do it?
Me, Stanley.
At the end of class, can you show us our homework?
Yeah, if you want to play this at home, I do include, this is a class code here. You can just click this. Did I already send this? Oh, I haven't sent this to the Zoom chat. I can send this to Zoom chat to everybody. So you can, but you need to create an account in order to play with it. But you can use this classroom code to create an account, and you should be able to play all different levels, because that we have so many different levels. If I back to my course, I can select JavaScript. Let's just do one more. How about careful steps, long steps, sleepy hours? Okay, let's do one more. Let's do one with a loop. Okay, drag the word. Oh, hopefully this one won't be too challenging. Anyone wants to try this one? Kaiden, okay. Kaiden. While true, move right, attack. Okay.
So, wait, you're supposed to go forward?
Wait, this one. What are we? Destroy the door. Okay.
The wall?
Huh?
The wall?
Let's use the hint again. You can use the while loop to destroy the door. Okay.
Okay, so while true, hero move right, hero attack back. I think it's supposed to be spelled break.
Break.
Well, it says brack, but I think it's supposed to be spelled break.
Okay, let's see how it does. I suspect you probably need to change that to door, because this is a door. Okay, but let's just see. Oh yeah. And we don't need to move right here, right?
And set it to door.
Yeah. Let's see all the hints, because this one is a little bit more advanced. Okay. So another hint is that you can move right or up or while true. Okay, this just tell you the syntax for the while. And you can use argument. Okay, this is the same hint as we saw earlier. Okay, so are you sure we want to move right? Or we can just see what this happened, okay? I think we probably need to move to a different direction. Okay, because it's not the door is not on the right? Let's try to get rid of this. Oh, okay, this is a comment. You can either comment it out or how do you spell door? D-O-O-R? Is it uppercase? Okay, let's see. I don't know if this one is case sensitive or not, but let's try. Okay, good. Yeah, it's just a set. So because it requires me under 3 statements, and we can just use this function called door, a text door. And the name of this is called door. So if I put lowercase, it won't work because it's case sensitive. I put lowercase D-O-O-R, but it's actually D-O-O-R with the uppercase D here. Okay, so you know when you're trying to write JavaScript or there's a text language, make sure it's very case sensitive. Okay, and you have to know how to use the use this function like attack here. You have to tell like attack. It's a door. It's a track. Okay. All right. So this one use the concept of loop. Let me just go back to my video. Let's just watch a video regarding the loop. Let me close this one.
Let's go. Think about a task where you have to do the same thing multiple times. Let's say you have to clear the table after a family dinner. You pick up a plate, bring it to the sink, wash it off, and dry. Not too hard, right? But what if you have a big family and you need to do this for every family member's dish? Maybe this means repeating the same task 6 times. Computers require very specific instructions to perform their tasks. So if you wanted to tell your robot friend to do the dishes instead, you couldn't just say, clean all the dishes. It's not specific enough. If you want a computer to repeat the same action 6 times, you would need to write 6 separate lines of code, the same exact instructions over and over and over. So annoying, right? Fortunately, there is a way to tell a computer to repeat an action without needing to repeat all the code. This command is called a loop. In programming, loops are the third of the flow control structures and allow us to use just one command to repeat the same process multiple times and complete a task. Loops are all about keeping your code dry. Dry means don't repeat yourself. So what's the problem with repetition? Well, typing out the same code over and over increases programming time. Also, if you have to write the same thing again and again, you're more likely to make a mistake somewhere. Make your code shorter with a loop. Now it's easier to debug and saved you time. So what does a loop look like in a program? Well, in JavaScript, loops look like this.
That's why
This code will loop 6 times. But in Codable, this is what we use to program a loop.
We don't care about Codable. Yeah, so we played one of this, we played one of the code combat here. If you would like to play around with it, just use the link here. I also send it out to the Zoom chat and make sure this is the class code for that. I think this one, the link here has a class code. Class code is like par shop root. Okay. And for homework, please make sure you did this the word up. This one as your homework. Okay. So yeah. Any questions? I'm not going to cover new information. I just want you to play around with all this. You can play around the make R to see how many challenging you can achieve. Yeah, I think we will be. If you are able to finish all the basic, you should be very good. And for code combat, that's just for your own fun. Yeah. If you use my class code and you can play the most basic one for free. Okay, but you do have an email address in order to apply for it. Any question before we leave?
Is that all our homework?
Yeah, this is the homework. This is homework. You don't have to complete all of them. Just try your best. Yeah, you can submit. I can submit it here.
But do you have to take a photo and send it?
Yes, you do.
Why can't you just turn it in and then don't take a photo?
Oh, Timothy already finished. You always so fast. I think this class is too easy for you, right? You're 12 years old. Okay. If you don't have any question, I think yeah, that's the end of
the photo.
I'm sorry?
You have to turn on all the photos.
Just tell me the most challenging one you achieved. because you won't be able to do the last one unless you finish the previous one.
Okay.
Okay. Any question? No? Okay, if no more question, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, thank you so much for being here. Remember to finish your homework. I'll see you guys next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.